Here's an overview of the fields, features, and benefits of using Advanced Custom Fields Free and Pro versions. The free version offers a variety of fields to begin customizing the admin and adding flexibility and control over the content, in addition to the standard title, WYSIWYG editor, and featured image content fields native to pages and posts in WordPress. Some of the fields include basics such as text and text area, adding another WYSIWYG editor, image, file, checkbox, to more advanced fields such as relationships, post objects, and Google Maps. The Pro version includes the addition of repeater fields, which creates a set of subfields that can be repeated again and again while editing content. Gallery, which is simple and intuitive for managing a collection of images. Flexible content, which defines groups of subfields that you can add, edit, and reorder to create highly customized layouts. Options pages, which add extra admin pages to edit ACF fields and customize your site. We'll look at examples later on showing how powerful these features are in speeding up your workflow and creating advanced customization to content in both the admin and output on the front end of your websites. Take control over your designs and optimize the WordPress admin by using ACF in your templates and custom theme. With ACF, you can define fields that make it easier to enter data and form relationships with content on the back end for you and clients updating content, while also ensuring that your design stays unaltered and consistent when updated by someone else. ACF fits seamlessly into the WordPress interface and offers ways to organize fields into tables and tabbed content, including optional labels to help guide users into the types of content that should be entered. ACF has a thorough knowledge base that's very easy to use for developers and contains useful examples and video clips.